Budget and Management Secretary Butch Abad and NEDA Chief Arsenio Balisacan welcomed Moody's upgrade of the Philippines to investment grade. They cited political stability and good governance as factors for the upgrade. Freddy Abando reports.
With the Moody's rating upgrade to investment grade and a positive outlook, the Philippines is poised for the best performing economy in the world for 2014. Early this year, Standard & Poor's, Fitch, and the Japanese rating agency issued the same rating as a vote of confidence for the country. It's already the best in Asia for 2013 with a 7.5% GDP growth for the first semester, beating China at the top.
Look at two things that we were able to do in an way. Never happened in this country. Number one, for the first time in our history, we got an investment grade. Not just from one, not just from two, not just from three, but four credit rating agencies, including the Japanese rating agency. Number two, never before experienced huge investments in CCT. Next year, it will be 52 billion. It's now 44. In basic education, by the end of this year, we should be done with the classroom shortages, teacher shortages, textbook shortages. Huge investments in public health. Our PhilHealth program is going to benefit 14.3 million indigent households next year. And the budget of DOH is going to grow by 45% next year, thanks to the reforms in the SIM taxes.
Budget Secretary Florencio Abad stressed the President's leadership was the key in restoring the confidence of the international community in the Philippines as a major destination for foreign investments. Sustained growth, managing fiscal and debt problems, political stability, and most of all, improved governance inspired by the President's commitment to weed out corruption led to Moody's upgrade. Abad said better utilization of people's money in the national budget since 2010 has led to better delivery of services by investing in infrastructure programs and social intervention programs which will attain inclusive growth. Abad stressed the approval and trust ratings of the President shows his good governance policy has worked wonders for the people.
Moody's also recognized that in addition to the other factors, the Aquino administration has maintained its popularity among voters, and the reason for this is because they continue to support the institutionalization of reforms for good governance.
NEDA Chief Arsenio Balisacan said these gains should be sustained with more investments to enhance the country's competitiveness. One is more allocation for infrastructure programs, given its multiplier impact, especially in job generation in the countryside.
We have been saying that we have serious backlogs, huge backlogs in our infrastructure development. The social spending, particularly in health and education, we would have to sustain that high level of spending for the next several years if we hope to catch up with the quality of education we are seeing in our neighbors.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.